Alright, the early afternoon continues. It is September 28th, 2025. CN Hayes here as a John Yamada and the ATSF rail fan. As we're in 1300 hours. Another southbound on the way, following well behind the U724. Let's check them out. 3320! 3334! U724! Watch out for those pellets! Today's U724, 81 of the 28th, started at Mid-Tech Mine in Mountain Iron, Minnesota. This will head bound to Confed, Louisiana. DPU now. 3342 again. Alright, not bad at all. So that's gonna do it for today's U724, 81 of the 28th. And we'll do it for the 3320. Putting that other one in the rear DPU of the 3342, and we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great afternoon. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. See you next time, and I hope I will see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.